wig tutorial. I have an interview like right now. I had to hurry up and do my hair, and so I just wanted to show you guys the process. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos. Make sure you watch my last videos. I've been posting a video almost every day this month because it's Vlogmas. Even though they're not really Christmas themed, just still check them out because I'm trying to stay consistent with my YouTube channel, and I love the support. And make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned to watch this video. So let's get started. This is the wig I'm going to be putting on. Let me show you it. I've had it on before. This is what it looks like when I have no makeup on my head at all. It doesn't look too bad actually. I'm going to have to make sure I get that down. Okay, you cool or whatever. So, and I'm gonna take this old beauty blender, dab some on my hand, and pretty much just try to make this wig cap look a little bit more like my skin tone. I'm using liquid foundation. My cat is so funny. This is some MAC NC45, the old palette that I had, and you can see it's not a whole lot in here, so I just use this for stuff like that. Like, now I'm gonna take my Ghost Bond glue and I'm gonna put it all across my head where I want the wig to go. This might sound crazy, but I kind of always know about where my Ghost Bond glue goes compared to the wig, so I don't really put the wig on, measure it, all that. I just add more glue where it's like a gap if I don't have enough glue there. So now I'm gonna take the Ghost Bond glue and I'm gonna make sure it's spread evenly on my head. This may not be the best method because I do always end up having to add glue to my head where there's extra, but I'd rather do that than try to, like, I don't know, pencil it in or something. It's just what I do. It's just what I do. It ain't gotta be what you do, babe. Try to avoid my real hair like right there because the point is for this to be, you know, a protective style and everything. I'm gonna add this second layer basically so that it's real thick and tacky. Now I'm gonna take this bobby pin and just kind of secure that back there. There's like these clips that come on the wigs. I hate those so much. They just mess with your head. I don't use them, never. I'm not gonna be clipping this stuff to my head. No. I just go and I just cut them off basically like that. Like so, you cut it like that. So now the glue is kind of still wet or whatever, but I want to add a little bit more because I've been talking and moving or whatever. So I'm just adding this to the middle part so that the middle is the most, you know, tackiest because it's like kind of dry. I think that's plenty, girl. You know? Kitty. My cat done took my wig. I like to take a little mousse and just kind of put it on the wig and like redirect the wig back. You just want those flyaways like out of the way, and that's just what I do. I need to learn how to be a bartender. So I'm taking a wig and I'm being real careful. And I'm just going to apply it to where the glue is. Ahead of the glue actually, you know. And I'm going to take it. And how this side is trying to like come down, I want to make sure that I got the hair out the way. And I'm going to pretty much just bring this down. And then you want to kind of pull it so that the middle doesn't get a crease. Like you really want that middle to be flat, and then you want your sides, you know, you want them to be clean. You want to make sure you kind of cut it at a slant so that when the hair, you're styling it, it like goes. So I like everything except this part right here. So what I'm going to do is manipulate that. Wow, y'all, this piece right here just didn't do nothing. I don't know which side I'd be liking more. Like, I definitely feel that the baby hairs kind of make it, you know, look a little bit more natural. I think I messed up. I'm going to take a little bit of alcohol or try to and see if I can, like, get it to kind of disappear. So I put alcohol on this thing and now I'm just, like, wiping it. I got a towel and some water, and I just pretty much been wiping it off. Okay, so same with this side. Pull enough hair out that seems feasible. So yeah, you want to take your little hairs that you're gonna use. And you just want to pretty much cut what you don't need. Baby hair right here. I don't know if I cut this too short or what, but we gonna try. The sideburns, that's what I'm talking about. You gotta have the sideburns. So that's pretty much what the baby hair is gonna look like. I'm just re-curling now that I'm back. So how about I go to the interview? I was running late, and guess what? Not the interview, it was orientation. Basically, it wasn't no orientation because their system was down, so they couldn't like onboard us or whatever. So I gotta go back to my room at 4. So I'm not really gonna mess with this part. Not right now. Yeah, I just wanted to make the curls look cute for you guys so you can see how that looks. I love how I bleached this. I did bleach this myself. I didn't film it or anything. So I'd say this is about the final look. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already for more videos. And let me know what other kind of videos, what other kind of hair tutorials, makeup, whatever you like to see. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later.